Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions, and in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to talk about and recap my trade on really the natural gas report. So, in all honesty, like I was not doing very well. The Learn Plan Profit team got to see me trade live this morning. I went live a little bit during pre-market hours. I think about like 20 minutes beforehand. Our live stream today was about an hour and 30 minutes. I'm going to start sharing my screen. I'm using the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform for all those that are going to be asking, and I'm going to show you and explain to you like how I traded the natural gas report and how that was really the turning point in my day, and then how I ended up closing the day at a little bit over $1,117 profit. So I'm gonna start sharing my screen again. My name's Ricky. I run the largest YouTube channel and the largest private Facebook group for those who invest in the stock market. If you want to join our free Facebook group, again, that first link is in the description. We have a little bit over 183,000 members, and then you can join our free group chat for Discord right here with this link up here. Be sure to like and subscribe if it's something that you guys see value in as well. Now, when it comes down to like kind of like how I traded today, I'm just going to show you guys my P&L on the day, $1,117.55. I also want to show you kind of like where I'm at for the overall week. So these are my different trades. This was Monday, $3,018. This was Tuesday, $1,064. This was yesterday, $1,343. And then today, $1,117.55. I've recapped every single day. I've kept you guys up to date. The Learn Plan Profit Group, which is the second link in the description if you want to learn more about how to watch me trade live, have been staying up to date with my overall trades. We've been absolutely killing it with natural gas. And one thing that I want you guys all to know is that natural gas has a report usually every Thursday, 1 hour after the market opens, wherever it is that you are. Market opens here at 7:30, so that means that the natural gas report is at 8:30. Let me put it into perspective. When the natural gas report comes out, I don't know, due to the report and how it comes out, I don't know which one's going to go up and which one's going to go down. All I know that is based off previous patterns. So right now, this is selling off. Actually, I'm going to take a position on DGAS. So give me 1 second. I apologize. I was waiting for this reversal to happen. Just gonna get some skin in the game. There we go. All right, and I'll set my alert and I'll go from there. But pretty much, when the natural gas report comes out, one ETF of DGAS or UGAS goes up, right? We don't know which one's gonna come out. The natural gas report comes out, and in a matter of like a second, one pushes up and one pushes down, usually based off of previous patterns in my experience, about 2 to 3%. This week, again, /NG, that's the natural gas, right? At around 8:30, so we're right around here, right? 8:30, huge push up for natural gas. This is actually one of the first times within the past couple of weeks, to my recollection, that natural gas has actually pushed up. It's actually been in favor of DGAS very often. Again, I don't try to predict which one's gonna go up or which one's gonna go down. All I know is that the natural gas report, so this is my explanation. The natural gas report news of like which one's in favor doesn't last for a very long period of time. So the way that I normally trade, again, this is my opinion and how I trade it, does not mean that this is how you have to trade it. I just want to make sure that that's all understood. What I usually do is whichever one pushes up, great. All power to you. And if you called out and thought that you guys was going to go up, great. It's kind of like a coin flip to me. I'd rather not try to guess. What I do like is when something pulls back super quickly, especially during this natural gas report. The thing that I take into consideration is that this natural gas report, again, is a catalyst that's either going to drive the price up or down, but it comes in such a consistent manner that the catalyst does not last for a very long period of time. So it lasts usually about 5 to 10 minutes that it drives the price down, and then it tends to recover. Based off previous patterns, it does not mean that it has to, so you still have to manage your risk. So what I did is when it sold off, guess what I did? I bought the dip, right? And I can actually show you, I think right here. So I could show you, click show trades, and pretty much like what I did. So when I bought, and then I sold. Easiest way for me to put it, right? And let me go ahead and do this. Okay, so that's pretty much like what I ended up doing. I cannot predict which one's going to go up and which one's going to go down. And again, you never know 100%. So what I did is I just waited for one to sell off. I bought the dip, added more to my position, and then I sold based off previous highs. I bought more as I continued to uptrend, and then I sold. I bought more, and then I sold. I bought more, and then I sold. That's all I did today. When it came down, so as of right now, I'm actually down in my open position now. So I just took it during this live stream. And again, I still think that this one has, and some of you guys might be asking, and I want to explain this. I'm up over $1,000 on the day, right? That's my daily goal, or exceeded my daily goal. Now, when I was trading live with the Learn Plan Profit Group, I think I was up like 400 or something like that overall on the day, right? I was up like 600 on ticker symbol. Was it this one? Yeah, it was about, I want to say 640 or something like that. One thing that I wanted to really focus on today is after I hit my daily goal, how much more conservative I am to take a position, and only if the margin of profit is worth it. So I trade a little bit more aggressively to get to my daily goal. And this is something that I explained multiple times. As I get closer to my daily goal, or as I exceed my daily goal, I become more selective with what I choose to trade, or I just completely walk away. It's just a little friendly reminder that, again, you don't want to overtrade. You don't want to, again, continue just to. So one thing that we have taken into consideration is understanding the high points and the low points within one day, and understanding that it hit highs of about 118. And because of this sell-off and looking at natural gas and how it's trading, to me, it makes sense on why natural gas can continue to sell off. So it has all this margin for it to sell off. So if this sells off, then that means that degas will then recover. And I see value in that. I see value in this margin of profit and the potential. But if I try to trade it while it's pushing up, and I see that it's aggressively pushing up and that it's not a good deal, that it's overbought, and continue to scalp it and trade it, yes, that's an approach, but that's just a little bit too risky for me. Again, that's my opinion and my best practice and my style of trading. If you don't like it, great. I trade a little bit more aggressively when I'm just getting started in the mornings. But as I get closer to my daily goal, or as I exceed my daily goal, then I try to focus a little bit more on just quality trades, which I think if you're someone that's just getting started, should really just focus on quality trades and being a little bit more selective. Again, I'm not under the PDT rule. I can day trade as many times as I want. My normal position sizes are anywhere from about $30,000 to $35,000 when I'm fully invested as of right now, and that's kind of like where I like to keep it. So I just want to share kind of like where I'm at, how I've been doing, and my approach when it comes down to trading the natural gas ETF. Again, my number one suggestion for someone that's just getting started is, if you even want to practice, you can open a free paper trading account, Google it, download it, set it up on how you want to use it, and then just practice trading the natural gas report. Because even just with this margin, right? So it sold off and then it recovered. Just imagine one trade. What's your weekly goal? 2%, 3%, 5%? Just imagine. Let's say you don't even buy it at the lowest price point, but then you could sell it at not at the highest point, not at the lowest point, 3.24%. Just imagine just having to take one trade a week and being able to hit your weekly goal. But you have to practice first. So practice when there's no monetary risk, and see if this is something that you could see a future in. If it is, great. And if not, again, this is my opinion. This is my niche. This is what I like to focus on. I just wanted to share it with you guys. So let's see where we're at right now. So I'm still down $62 overall on the day. I should still be up a little bit over 1,000. But yeah, I just wanted to share kind of like my story and my approach with you guys. I hope it's something that you guys see value in. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in to the live stream. And yeah, so you guys are asking a couple questions about some video suggestions. Please I have over 1,200 videos on YouTube. We're the largest YouTube channel for those who trade in the stock market. If you can, just utilize the YouTube search bar, put my name next to it, and then put the stop loss and stuff like that. So again, I'd be more than happy to work with you on a closer basis. If you would like to watch me trade live and work with me on a closer basis, that's going to be the Learn Plan Profit Group in that second link in the description. I don't offer any other option. So there's a bunch of fake accounts on Instagram, on Twitter, and on Facebook that are pretending to be me. I never ask for personal information. I will never trade for anybody. I don't tell people where to buy. I don't tell people where to sell. I work with you to find your own style of trading. We're here to build self-sufficient and independent traders. If you want to be told what to do, then our group 100% is not for you. But if you're someone that's willing to invest time and know that it's going to take time and effort, then I'd love the opportunity to work with you and make 2019 our best year, right? Let's absolutely kill it. I hope that it earned your thumbs up in this video. I hope you guys learned something new. If you guys want to stay connected, then be sure to subscribe if you see value in it. But most importantly, I wish you guys a blessed Thursday. Let's have fun with everything that we do. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. What's going on, Michelle? Take it easy, team.